Good day to you children. Today we are going to learn lesson 1 in maths, numbers up to 20. First we are going to start with warm up. Write the number given at the bottom of each number in the circle. Also write their number names in the blanks. Now numbers up to 20. Okay, so first we are going to count the numbers up to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, now which number is in the bottom? Number 7. So, we are going to write 7 here. And we have to write the number name also. So, what is the number name of 7? S-E-V-E-N, 7. Next is, which number is in the bottom? Number 3. So, we are going to write 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Then, which number is in the bottom? Number 8. So, we will write 8. Okay. So, now what we are going to learn in this lesson? We are going to learn reading and writing numbers up to 10, more or less, counting forward and backward, tens and ones, building numbers from 11 to 20, representing numbers on the abacus, before, after and between number, comparing and ordering of numbers. Now come to the next page. Okay. Here what we have to do? Reading and writing numbers up to 10. First, color as many circles as the number given in each row. Now here what we have to do? Which number is there? Number 4. So that means we have to color 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, which is the next number? Number 3. So, we are going to color 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Now, which is the next number? Number 10. So, we are going to color 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, similarly, you have to do this also. Number 7, that means you have to color 7 circles. Number 8, that means you have to color 8 circles. Number 5, that means you have to color 5 circles. Now 2, Minty the squirrel has to reach its tree, filling the missing numbers on its way. Now here is Minty and here is the tree. So we are going to write the missing numbers. 1, what comes after 1? 2, 3, 4 is given, 5 is given. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now third one, count and write the number and its number name. Now here what we have to do? We have to count the objects, then we have to write the number and then we have to write the number name of that number. Now here is one top. Here is one top. So we have wrote 1, O-N-E, 1. Then B. here are 4 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write down 4. Now what is the number name of 4? F-O-U-R, 4. Now turn the page. See, now how many candles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll write 8. Now we are going to write the number name of 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. D. Next one is, how many toothpicks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll write 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Similarly, you have to do E, F, G and H. Now more or less. Now what do you mean by more? More means ज़्यादा. Less means कम. Now first we are going to see this one. Then we are going to see this one. In each row, color the one with less number of pictures. So we have to compare between these two. Okay. So here what we have to do? Here we have to color the picture which is in less numbers. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 objects are there. Here only 2. So हमें यहाँ पे किसे कलर करना है? जो कम है. Okay. And less means before number. Now B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many clouds are there? 6. Okay, I am just writing it roughly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 objects are there. So which is the less? 6 or 7? 6. So we are going to color this. Now see, first we are going to count these objects, then we are going to count these objects. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many objects are there? 5. Here how many objects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is less in number? 5 or 4? 4. So we are going to color this one. Now next one. In this what we have to do? In each row color the one with more number of picture. More means ज़्यादा. Okay. So first we are going to count this. 1, 2, 3. Here how many objects are there? 3. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is more. So we have colored this, but it is already done. Now B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 objects are there. Here how many objects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So which is more in number? This one. So we are going to color this. So similarly you have to D. do C also. Now come to the next page. My practice time 1. Here what you have to do? In 1, draw and color. A. What is written? 2 more means 2 more means हमें और 2 ऑब्जेक्ट बनाने हैं. Okay, so we are already 2 are there. So what is written? 2 more. So we are going to make 2 more. Okay, so 2 more. So we have drawn 1 and 2. Now we are going to color this. Now next one. What is written? 4 more means we have to draw 4 stars. One, two, three, 4. Now we are going to color these 4 stars. For this you can use any of your favorite color. So similarly you have to do C also. Now question 2, draw and color. Now here what we have done, here what is written? See, 2 more, that means we have made 2 more buttons. But here what we have, what is written? 3 less, that means first we are going to count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there, okay, and we have to less 3. So 5, 1, 2, 3. 3 हमने लेस किया, कितना बचा? 2, 1, 2. So we are going to make 2 box. So 5 squares were there, then we have to less 3. So 1, 2, 3. How many remaining? 2. So what will remain? That we are going to draw. Now what is written? 4 less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how much less we have to do? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many will remain? 2. 1, 2. Okay. Then we are going to make 2 circles. 1, 2. Okay, so similarly you can do C and D also. Now counting forward and backward. Forward means after numbers, backward means before numbers. First, count forward and write the next 3 numbers. So 4, what comes after 4? 5, 6, 7. Now children, in forward what we have to do? We have to count after numbers. Now 7. What comes after 7? 8, 9, 10. So 2 is given. Now what comes after 2? 3, 4, 5. Now similarly you can do this one, like what comes after 5, like which are the next 3 numbers. Now question 2, what is written? Count backwards and write the previous 3 numbers. Backward means before numbers. So first, what is written? 9. What comes before 9? 9 के पहले क्या आता है? 8. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 7? 6. Okay. Now which is the next number given? 6. So what comes before 6? 6 के पहले क्या आता है? 5. 5 के पहले क्या आता है? 4. And what comes before 4? Number 3. 7. 7 is given. What comes before 7? 7 के पहले क्या आता है? 6. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 5? Number 4. Now similarly you can do 8 also, like which are the 3 previous numbers which comes before 8. Now HOTS, what we have to do? In this, find the hidden number names from 1 to 10 and color them. Okay, so here see ONE1 is already given. Now we are going to find out the number name of 2. See, here is TWO 2. TWO 2. What comes after 2? Number 3. First you should give a outline like this. Three. Now what comes after 3? Number 4. What comes after 4? Number name 5. FIVE 5. Then you have to find out 6. See, here is 6 and you have to color. Then 7. So here is 7. Then 8. So here is 8. Then 9. Okay. So here is 9. Then 10. So here is 10. Okay, so you have to color this remaining. Now come to the next page. Okay, now what is given here? Tens and ones. These are 9 sticks. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 9 sticks. Now if we are going to add one more sticks. Now children, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sticks we are having. Okay. If we are going to add one more, एक हम और ऐड करेंगे, then how much it will become? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now there are 10 sticks. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now there are 10 sticks. In order to count number easily, we group 10 ones into a group of 110. Now children, see. When 10 ones are then is equal to 110. यहाँ पे देखो कितने हैं? 10 sticks है. ओके, जब हम 10 sticks को साथ में लेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? 110. That means a bunch of 10 ones. Means इसके अंदर 10 sticks है. ओके, जब हम लोग 10 चीज़ों को साथ में लेंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? 110. Now let us build numbers from 11 to 20. Now what teacher has told you that when 10 ones are there, that is equal to 110. When 10 ones are there, that is equal to 110. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. इसके अंदर 10 स्टिक्स है तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 110. ओके, और 10 में हम एक और ऐड करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? 10 + 1 11. सो ट्रेस दिस नंबर 11. Write here 11. And then we are going to write the number name. ELEVEN. 11. Now here see 10 sticks are there. Okay, so that means 10 ones means 110. Okay, and 2 ones. So 10 + 2. What comes after 10? 11, 12. So right, we are going to trace this number 12. 1, 2, 12. Now we are going to write the number name TWELVE 12. Then next one 110. Okay, that means 10 sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 3. So what comes after 10? 11, 12, 13. So we are going to trace the number 13. THIRTEEN 13. Next one 110. That means 10 sticks are there and 4. So what comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14. So we will write down this number 14 and then we are going to write the number name FOURTEEN 14. So similarly you can do 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now my practice time 2. Now what we have to do here? We have to write the number names of the following. So which number is there? So we'll write down 12. TWELVE E-L-V-E 12. Next one, which is the next number name? 19. So we'll write down N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. Which is the next number? 10. So we are going to write the number name of 10. T-E-N 10. D. Which is the next number name? 20. So we'll write down T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Second, make groups of tens and ones. Okay. So tens means a group of 10 objects. Write the numbers in the boxes. One has been done for you. Now see, how many fishes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this what we have to do? First we have to circle the 10 fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the remaining fish we have to circle that. Then the total number is 12. So here what we have done? We have made the groups of tens and then groups of ones. 10 का group बनाना, that means a group of tens. Then ones, the remaining one will be the ones. Now caterpillars. First we are going to see how many caterpillars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many caterpillars are there? 13. Now what we have to do? First we have to make a group of 10 caterpillars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now how many caterpillars are remaining? 1, 2, 3. So now we are going to make a group of 3 caterpillars. So this one is tens and this one is ones. Now see, snails are there. First we are going to count how many snails are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 snails. Now what we have to do? We have to circle or we have to make a group of 10 snails. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now how many snails are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So similarly you can do D and E also. Now representing numbers on the abacus. So okay, so what is this? This is the abaci. Now in this you can see the two lines. The first one is T, that means tens. The second one is ones, O, that means ones. Okay, so T represents tens and O represents ones. So these are the two rods. Okay, now what we have to do in this? Let us understand how to represent numbers on the abacus. Now children, see. Number 6 is there. example number 6 is there. So only one number is there. So 1 means ones. Okay. So where is the ones? जब भी एक नंबर रहेगा तो वो कहाँ पे आएगा? ones के यहाँ पे. तो ये कितने नंबर हैं? 6. So what we are going to do? We are going to make 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll take one more example. Again T, that means tens, and O, that means ones. Okay. Now suppose number 18 is given. Okay. Now in this two numbers are there. See, 2-digit number is there, right? 1 and 2. 2-digit number is given. Okay, 1, 8. So which is the first number? 1. And which is the second number? 8. So 1 will come here in the place of tens and 8 will come here in the place of ones. So now we have to draw the beads. 1. So 1 is there, so only 1 bead. Now number 18 is there. So tens and ones. So tens के place पे कौन सा number है? 1. So we have made 1 bead. Then ones. Ones के यहाँ पे कौन सा number है? 8. So we are going to make 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood, children? So when one number will be there, it will comes in the place of ones. When two number will be there, then the first one will comes in the place of tens and the second will comes in the place of ones.